Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tech tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to put the recycle bin on your desktop in 2025. If you're using the latest Windows update, this feature is a game changer for easy file management. The recycle bin acts as your safety net for deleted files, and having it right on your desktop saves you time and hassle. First things first, make sure you're on your Windows desktop. This method works on Windows 2025 editions, so if you're on an older version, you might need to update. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your empty desktop. A context menu will pop up. Go ahead and select Personalize. This opens the Settings app, where you can tweak your system's appearance. Once in Personalize, navigate to the Themes section on the left sidebar. Look for the option that says Desktop Icon Settings. It might be under Related Settings. Click on that, and you'll see a window with various icons you can enable. Simply check the box next to Recycle Bin. If it's grayed out, double-check your permissions or system settings. Hit Apply, and then OK to save your changes. Voila! The Recycle Bin icon should now appear on your desktop. If it doesn't show up right away, try restarting your computer or refreshing the desktop by pressing Windows key plus D and then F5. This simple tweak not only declutters your workflow but also makes recovering files a breeze. Remember, in Windows 2025, Microsoft has made these customizations even more intuitive, so explore and experiment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.